Welcome to Shami's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make chicken popcorn. Chicken popcorn is an easy recipe and a short recipe. Take a nice look at the chicken popcorn. Oops, I mean ingredients. We're gonna marinate the chicken now. First, add in the egg. Next, add the powders. Onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. We have red chili powder, black pepper, and salt to taste. Now let's whisk it. I can smell the yogurt. It smells so good. Okay, I'm done mixing the batter. I'm gonna put the chickens in. Okay, let's add the chicken. Whoa, that was a big flop. Let's mix it with the fork. Okay, I'm done mixing the chicken. Now let's rest it for at least half an hour. The long time it's resting, the more tastier the chicken popcorn is. The chicken has been done marinating. I'm going to dip it in the corn flour and maida. First, I'm gonna mix the corn flour and maida together. So here's the corn flour. Now let's give a mix. Okay, I'm done mixing. Now let's put the chicken in. Let's do the next one. I'm done coating the first time. Now we're gonna do the second time. Let's do this. And now the flour and cornstarch. Keep it aside. Do it for the rest. I'm done coating the chicken. Now we will deep fry them. The oil is hot. Fry it in medium flame. That's all. The chicken popcorns are ready. It's taste time. Let me try it out. The chicken is so crispy and juicy. It's just like store-bought. You guys also try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Bye. Oh yeah. Also, you guys try this and enjoy. And tell me in the comments if you liked it. Bye!